Jessie from Tips Geeks. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, so how do we start this?
I think you should take it out of the box first.
Okay, yeah, because we're going to unbox. Hey, help me!
Oh, I'm supposed to help you. Okay, so I think you should lay it down. Here. So that. Okay, so I guess we can start pulling out stuff. Start by pulling this out. Show them what's inside this first.
We have here a small. No, this is not a small. It's like a pizza box by MSI. And what's inside this?
Okay, so we have a couple of options here. Of course, we have screws and we have the SATA cables. We have the installation guide of how to change the tempered glass. And of course, we have the awesome tempered glass for those who prefer the tempered glass. This is actually one of the things that I like about it. You could change it from being a metal casing to a tempered glass. Okay, put all that aside. Put this aside. Oh, we have this also. Let's put this out first.
So what's inside this box is
Where's the power cable? What's this? We have a blank piece of paper.
Yeah, awesome. And we have here more screws.
More screws and
the warranty card.
there's a quick start guide from MSI. And the big reveal. Here we go. Okay, so which side is this supposed to be on? I'm guessing it's supposed to be this side. Okay, so first off, we have the cloth. It says Game Unlimited. I wonder what the GAME stands for. Take a wild guess. Let's ask MSI. So there you go. So this is the part that can be changed into the tempered glass. We'll do that a bit later. Of course, here, I'm guessing this is RGB plus the ports. And then on the other side is where you see, of course, the graphics card and everything else that's inside. So this is ran by an i7 9th gen processor. Let's take a quick look inside.
Voila. Screw.
So you really have to push it in for it to come out. Okay, and that's that. And so we've opened the top. What we could see here are, of course, we have the HDD, 2.5 HDD, and then we have an extra slot for another HDD here. They've already included the SATA cable inside. I'm just not sure where the power SATA is. We'll find that out later when we do the review. We have the PSU by FSP here, and then of course, its own fan. One thing that I like about this is it does not have that big brick like other small form factor desktops have. This particular PSU has 650 watts power, which is more than enough to power the 2060 plus the i7 9th gen here. So we'll find out the other stuff in a bit. Okay, let's switch it on first. Let's switch on. There you go.
Wow.
Okay, so what you would see here is, of course, it's RGB. Here in front, it's also RGB, which is pretty sweet. And of course, here on the other side is more RGB.
More RGB.
This is pretty much an RGB case. Let's just try to figure out how to remove this. There we go. And there, more RGB. What do we see here? We see the motherboard, of course, and the GPU running here. This is a 2060 by MSI, as you would see here. Okay, so that's about it. I'm not sure if they included an M.2 here, but I think they should have, considering this is a small form factor. So in a later video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be tearing it apart. So we're gonna be taking it out piece by piece to show you how easy it is to upgrade the Trident X, and then of course we're going to be putting it all back together, showing of course again upgradability for the MSI Trident X. So that's about it for our unboxing today.
Thank you so much for coming, Jessie.
Again, this has been Jessie from Tips Geeks.
And